Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Arif. I'm an architect and real estate agent from Dubai. Welcome to a new video. This is an 1800 square feet apartment of Blue Ocean apartment in Palm Jumeirah. It's right near the Dubai Eye, the largest Ferris wheel, and one of the most premium location in Dubai, far away from hustling, bustling Dubai city. This apartment is up for rental. It's not for sale. It's fully furnished. Let me show you this 3-bedroom apartment with all of its amenities. So this is the entry. There is an interesting part of this apartment is that everything is touch. So all the switches, everything is like relaxing. Kitchen downlights, living room. I'll tap this because I don't want to turn up all the lights. Then I'll show this in the end of the video again. This is a big living and dining room, and that's the ocean, the Arabian Ocean. You can see from here, and you'll be able to see the swimming pool and other stuff from this large balcony. I'm going to show you in a minute. Let me show you the kitchen first. Here is the kitchen, an open kitchen with solid surface top. You have a sink here, and it doesn't come with a separate SS drainage for the water. It's engraved into this top, and we have a dishwasher here. I believe this is the dishwasher, and this is the oven. We have the burner, and we have the other grill oven here, and this one has the kitchen hood with additional storage of spices and other things, maybe racks here. Then we have ample storages, refrigerators, freezer. Everything is here. Lots of storage. This can be used as tandem, and we also have more storage here which can be used as pantry. Now let me take you to the bedroom. This one is a master bedroom, can also be used as guest bedroom because other 2 bedrooms are on the opposite side. So when you enter to this master bedroom, you have a large mirror here with large top, and you have 2 chairs here to sit, walk, or you can just sit there and look at the ocean. It's beautiful and one of a kind. You see the sun is setting, and you can also see the swimming pool. This is a panoramic view. It's unobstructed. So when you wake up in every morning, there'll be lots of lights coming in, warm lights, because the sun will be on other side all the day. So this part is going to stay cold. This is storage here. So automatic light turning on and off. This one too. And you have an additional storage on the back of this door. Same thing. Light turns on and off with doors opening and closing. You have lots of storage here. This is too much for a rental unit. Let me show you the bathroom, the master bathroom with lighted mirror, basin, all super premium. Here you can put a towel, one drawer, storage below. You have separate doors. This is the shower area. It's huge. You can store your things here. Shower drain. Then we have toilets, bidets. Here you can also put lots of stuff here. Ample of storage. This is one of the most luxury apartments I have seen here so far. large 85-inch TV. Let me show you the balcony first because the sun is going down so fast. This is the balcony. It's humongous, huge, and the view is invaluable. This is the common swimming pool. You can see kids swimming. That's the ocean. You'll be able to see yachts, people doing paragliding all day long. You can also do parties here, and people will be able to stand here. It's panoramic view. Unbelievable. You can sit here and grab a coffee whenever you want. Let's go and check the other two bedrooms. This is the second bedroom with two single beds, sitting, and also the ocean view. Large tabletop where you can work. This is the common second bathroom attached with this bedroom. Very thoughtfully designed fittings, fixtures, and shower. Also similar kind of storage here. There it goes, the powder room, toilet and basin. Now the almost identical bedroom. We have the shower here, and the exception is this one has bathtub, similar basin, toilet, bidet. Oh, that's the intercom. Very large bed, similar outside exterior view. Beautiful. Larger table here. It's slightly different from the other bedroom, but it has exact same amount of storage. Let me show you the switches. It's very interesting that all the rooms has different kind of theme. You can, like this one, relax scene. Let me show you what happens when I tap here. So it's relaxed. So different kind of themes. When you go to sleep, when you want to work, you can set different themes for here. So this is Arif, architect and real estate broker from Dubai. This apartment is up for rental. If you'd like to rent it, don't hesitate to contact me using the phone number and email I've given here in the video. Thank you.